Niggas wanna see you lose when you're making moves. We bringing tools in any rooms, we try to break the rules. Niggas is haters, they ain't goons, we try to make a fool. I never thought I'd make fours before I made the news. Having a threesome with some bitches and still ain't amused. I pick and choose, put on my juices like I lit the fuse. I call the shots and all the killers be like, what's the move? 100 grand, you and your little man getting split in two. My life got way realer. Playing with the millions and it turned me to a made nigga. Anywhere in the cash type reacted when they play with it. Statements got retracted when niggas sweated cause we sprayed niggas. Mafioso, sipping low balls, jumping off the chopper to the yacht. Off the Gold Coast, we was sold choppers on the block, selling cocoa. Now we treating models like they thought, selling Soho. 30 million cash, do these niggas bad. They never thought I'd go this far just from a pen and pad. I see my dog kill my dog just to get a stash. He went up top, they bailed him out, got that nigga too much money and power, walk up in the spot, a bunch of steppers, we talking to chopper. Too much money and power.
Hustling 24 hours.
Too much money and power. Stumble to the pounds with a baddie to fuck in the shower.
The same place you find power, you find a lot of money. I done damn near made a Billy, bitch, you not a dummy. Make sure everybody fed and it's not the tummy. Niggas making fashion statements and I'm popping bummy. Cause I don't march to the drum that these niggas playing. Real big steppers gon' step in, there's no delaying. My mama seen it coming, was over my shoulder praying. When I started getting reckless in life and ain't know the man, I felt the switch flick. Noticed the power being a misfit. Kick push skated fiascos into a kick flip. Success made my soft me stiffen to a big dick. Story of my life, bitches choosing this shit a chick flick. I'm shot calling, not stalling and not hogging. Pass the ball, we running it up and we not jogging. It's team us, we shrink the circle and lean up. And when we on the scene, they gon' know that we seen much. I bust a play a day, know I'm collecting like layaway. You niggas Jake the Snake, I gotta cook you and make filet. They better stay away for I spray decay until they decay. Won't make no hay today. I only play to make major pay, I go for pink slips. Jordan my tongue when I'm on my king shit. 12s out of 10, the only type of hoes I link with. Huey Deucer Doty told me if I'm gon' relinquish, then $1 billion better be what I'm in sync with. You feel me?
Too much money and power, walk up in the spot, a bunch of steppers, we talking to chopper. Too much money and power.
Hustling 24 hours.
Too much money and power, stumble to the pounds with a baddie to fuck in the shower. Too much money and power.
Hustling 24 hours.
I left your team of niggas in the red tape. Digging through their pockets, left their shoes unlaced. Homicide on another case. Mouth wide, gold teeth with a pale face. My niggas couldn't read, had impediments, but they never would leave any evidence. Your mother still in pain, it been a few days, but you know this all it came with minimum wage. They thought it was a game till the shots rang. 6 niggas laying on the same box spring. How you dead broke but got a dope charge? Gotta rob a bank just to post bond. Got a chopper with me for the close calls. Helicopter on the roof cause I won't walk. Killing niggas in the streets, I call it a feast. 20 million I could see and all in a week. Boss. We only on the yachts for tequila shots. There's only baby word that when we lead a lot. Calamari in California, yeah, I wanna kiss. All you envious devil demons, you can suck a dick, bitch. I hope you die slow with your blindfold. Your bitch still at home with her mind blown. I got a pool in Paris and some buffaloes. And I got a pool in Paris and a bungalow. Still flipping numbers, talking summer sauce. Everybody get to eat, that's when I wanna call. I'm sipping champagne, I own it myself. You niggas better learn to own you some wealth.
Too much money and power, walk up in the spot, a bunch of steppers, we talking to chopper. Too much money and power.
I reminisce on how long I've been in my zone. I find them and remind them, cause y'all to kinda forget how I kept the show on the road all the time. But I got my ticks, I did it my way, that got me rich. Not only do I got the plays, I got the hits. You on the sideline, your time was warming the pitch. I am a landmine, I was all in the trench. Talking like 100-something and like 20-something. Throwing round, flying spurs like when I bullied Duncan. Did a song with Biggie, it was all a dream. So it's ballin' till I made it, now we on the team. Label me the status, they know it's Shaquille. Spent the evening in the palace, cost a richer meal. Crossed so many seas and back, I caught a fisher's deal. I fly over the Atlas for a picture field. Day one I've been hot, I don't get the chill. They know my paper high, so I fit the bill. Get it custom at the dealer, so I fit the wheel. I can hear the money talking like if it was Phil. Focus on communities I wish to build. When it's for the unity, that's when I drill. They love me out in Philly like I roll with Meek. They treat me like I'm Ricky when I'm on the beach. Tryna stack another Billy, now it's on the reach. DDM, I give the say, then I go capiche. Go to Venice for the day, I might go Caprice. Aristotle on the way, that's when I go to Greece. I'ma bring the drama till I'm with the mamba. Foreign car and armor like I got it from Wakanda. Palming all the commas like I was E Honda. This is just a reminder that I'm your designer.
Too much money and power, walk up in the spot, a bunch of steppers, we talking the chopper. Too much money and power,